Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. We're now on week 4 and the final video, the final look from the Eid Get Ready With Me series. I can't believe Ramadan is almost over. It's actually surreal to me and I can't believe how fast it's gone. I feel like we say this every year, but still, it's surreal how quickly it comes and how quickly it goes. I really hope you guys have had a lovely Ramadan so far and are making the most of the last few days. I thought no better way to end the series with a very OTT look. Now, if you want something really casual this Eid, this video is not for you. If you want to make a statement this Eid, this video is for you. Makeup, outfit, everything is OTT today and dramatic. And we're bringing the drama, you know that person that always comes out overdressed to everything? That's who I'm channeling in this look. And I'm proud of it. Before we start doing the makeup, I wanted to say a few things. First of all, I want to thank you guys for supporting me during this series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to continue doing some kind of makeup or fashion series. If there's anything in particular you want to see from me, because I'm thinking of starting a few series like this because I really enjoyed doing this. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I would really appreciate if you guys check out the link in my bio to the donation page me and Rima Tadmuri have set up. In a couple of weeks, inshallah, we will be going to Lebanon to give out the donations that we've made during this holy month. And I would really appreciate it if you help us reach our goal. We're very, very close. And with your help, we will definitely get there very soon, inshallah. I really appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to me already, please make sure you have that subscribe button switched on and the notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Now, without further ado, let's see how I did this look. So I needed some extra moisture before starting this look. So I'm using the moisture cream by DHC, which is a very light consistency, but it gives you a lot of hydration. So I love it under makeup, especially if I'm doing full-on looks like the look that I'm doing today, and I need my skin to stay moisturized and hydrated underneath. Next, I'm going in with this Glow Recipe lip balm, which also exfoliates at the same time, which is great so it can prepare for my lipstick later on so I don't have any crusty lips. I've got a whole video on my brows, I will link it below, which is why I haven't really gone through it in this video because I feel like I've gone through it too many times already. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids. We're using the NARS eyelid primer, my absolute favourite. I've got the links for everything I used today in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I'm going in with this gorgeous Natasha Denona palette, and it has all the purple hues that I need to match my eyeshadow to today's beautiful outfit. And I'm starting with this warmer purple, and I'm tapering the shadow outwards to give me a feline look. And I'm just going to keep adding light layers of shadow to give me that flawless eyeshadow look that I love. It's much best to do this rather than putting like one layer of lots of shadow in one go, because you won't be able to blend it as well. Next, I'm adding a little bit of a dark purple right in that outer crease area just to give me some depth. And then I'm also adding a little bit of this cooler tone shimmer purple colour to mimic the texture and colours in my outfit, and it matches perfectly, and you're going to see that in a minute. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows to create a highlighted effect in the inner third of my eye, and I'm starting with the matte shade, and then I'm going to add the shimmer shade in just the inner corners. Next, I'm just going to wipe all the fallout off and give me a nice clean shadow look. I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm keeping it really natural and subtle. I don't want it to be too dramatic, so I'm literally just following the line of my shadow. I'm really happy with this eyeshadow look. I think it looked amazing with today's outfit. I'm going in with some lashes, and I'm using the Faye Beauty lashes. They've got a new Ramadan collection, which is lovely. I will link it below, and you can also get an extra discount on it using code Habiba. And I'm using the lashes in the style Chicago, and they worked perfectly with this look. So we're gonna prepare the skin, and I'm using this hydrating primer by Fenty. You already know I love this. It's my absolute go-to, especially if I'm doing full coverage foundation and full coverage, like a full-on base. It ensures that I can lock in all that moisture that I put on with my moisturizer previously, and keeps my skin hydrated underneath all of that. I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to conceal some spots and scars that I still have, just to give me that flawless base that I want, so I don't have to put on too much foundation. Then I'm going to go in with the NARS foundation in Tahoe and the Laura Mercier Longwear foundation in Latte, and I've mixed them together because they create this beautiful shade together, and they're also both really nice long wearing full coverage foundations. And I'm literally putting the tiniest amount, and I'm just blending it all over my skin. And because I've pre-concealed my scarring, I won't have to put on too much foundation. And I recommend this to anyone who's got like scarring or anything they need to cover and feel like they have to put so much foundation on. It's always better to put less, so that it doesn't look cakey or overdone or flaky or anything like that. I was very happy with this base. We're going in with the OG concealer, the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I'm just going to conceal my under eyes, and I'm going to blend that out. And then just to give me a little bit of highlight, I'm using the Fenty concealer in 190, which is a lighter shade. And I'm just going to pat in my powder and give myself a nice, clean under eye and matte face. So whatever powder's left on the puff, I'm just going to add onto the rest of my face. Next, I'm going in with the Cocoa Naughty Bronzer by Fenty. I'm just going to put this on my forehead, on my cheekbones, on my nose, just anywhere where I feel like I need to contour. I love, love, love this bronzer. It's just perfect colour, and it's just got that really beautiful undertone that works with my skin tone. Next, I'm going to be doing my lips, and I'm starting with this brown lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury. It gives me that perfect cool toned brown, and I'm following my lip line. I have naturally a really sharp Cupid's bow, so I like to accentuate that a little bit. I used to hate it before, but now I really like bringing it out a little bit more. So I'm just doing that, and I'm using another dark brown to blend that out, and then I'm using Strip Down by MAC to blend that further. And then, oh my god guys, I don't even remember the last time I used this lipstick. This is Yash by MAC, and if you guys are OG followers, you'd know this used to be my go-to lipstick. I used to wear this every single day. I never wore anything else. It was like my favorite lipstick of all time, and I can't believe I haven't used it in so long. I loved how it looked with this lip. I think it just went perfectly. It had this cooler toned, it's a cooler tone nude, so it really worked with the warmth that I had on already. I'm just going to take the purples that I used previously, and I'm just adding them onto my lower lash line to give me that full effect of purple. And I'm going to add some mascara on my lashes, top and bottom too. And that is the makeup done. I think I forgot to film myself putting on the highlighter, but I'm using the pink toned highlighter by Fenty. I'm gonna add it in the description so you guys can check it out. So next, onto the outfit. So I honestly, I don't think you guys are ready to see this outfit. It's just so pretty, it's so feminine, it's so dramatic. It's like that person that's always overdressed to everything. This is the perfect outfit for you if you want to be dressed out for Eid. Like, if you want to be that person, this is the outfit for you. So I got this outfit from Emna's dressmaker in Nigeria. She kindly gifted this outfit to me, and I'm honestly obsessed with the entire design. It's nothing like I've seen before, and it looks so beautiful on. I feel like I'm a bouquet of purple roses. I'm using a scarf from my collection. This is in the shade Love. Unfortunately, this was a limited edition scarf that I recently launched, and it's already out of stock. But I really wanted something that has a little bit of purple in it to kind of match with the rest of the outfit, and I love the muted tone of the scarf matching with the outfit. And I also put on some Zara hoops on. I really wanted that gold with the purple. I think it looks beautiful together, and that's what the outfit looks all together with these beautiful simmy heels. I'm honestly, like, when I looked at myself, I didn't even recognize myself. I really love this look, and I think it's such a different style to everything else I've showed you guys this month. Let me know in the comments if you would wear this outfit or even the makeup. I would really like to know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Color purple, honestly, it just makes you feel so regal, and I love that. Guys, that's the end of this year's Eid series. I really hope you guys have a lovely weekend and a lovely rest of your Ramadan, and I will see you guys soon.